What is going on, guys? Max from Max Capital here, and today I'll be showing you guys a trade that I took on Pepe actually on May 20th. So basically what I was doing is I was watching this coin basically for over a day. If you see on the top there, those are kind of my resistance lines, and I saw that Pepe was kind of picking up volume and everything. So I decided to enter a long entry. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm doing this $500 to $10,000 series. I'm trying to see how long it'll actually take me to make $10,000 from $500. I will be using high leverage, so I wouldn't recommend using high leverage, but I'll make a separate video of kind of explaining my risk management. So as you can see here, this isn't a live reaction. Basically, this is just a live recording. I wasn't able to actually set up my mic in time, but basically what I did is once I kind of saw the breakout on Pepe over here on the top, I decided to enter a long. Basically the position I did is I did $500 times 20x leverage. So roughly that's about a $10,000 position. I know it's extremely risky to use leverage, but pretty much I've been doing this for quite a while. I'm comfortable and I'm playing with a lower amount, so I don't really mind if I lose these trades. I do take a small 1%, so my risk to reward is really good here. So pretty much as you can see here, I'm on a low time frame just to kind of enter these trades basically, right? So right when it broke out, I did enter, and then it did kind of retrace, and then right away it bounced. Some people like to get in on the bounce, but there's been a lot of trades where I wanted to enter on the bounce, but the bounce never really happened. So what I kind of specialize is I do these kind of breakout trades, and then once it breaks out, I enter with a tight stop loss. So pretty much if it would fall like half to 1%, I would pretty much stop myself out, just because I know these coins are very volatile and that's a lot of rejection. But as we can see here, it keeps retesting that all-time high that it just broke out. And right here, this is pretty much like a common trade I enter. It's pretty much a breakout. So as it kind of retested that, and on a low, low candlesticks are showing extreme bullishness, I decided to stay in this position. So this is actually an amazing trade here. So as you can see here, I'm already up like a decent amount. We're getting some massive candles. So this is probably the best situation you want to be in. I started with $500 and I'm already up like $250 basically. So essentially what I kind of struggle in is I need to kind of figure out when to take profit, because you'll see what happens actually over here. I'm up a decent amount. My greed is telling me to stay in the trade, but I'm telling myself you gotta secure some profits because that's already up 50% of your bankroll. So I'm kind of in this decision of whether I should take profits or continue with the trade, and I decided to, for now, kind of stay in this trade and see where it goes, because usually when it retraces down, it kind of has a bounce up here. But it's a tight spot. I'm already up like $250. First trade of this challenge, road to 10,000. So it is very tempting to take profits here, but I decided to stay in a bit longer, and I do see some green bullishness candles, but I wasn't really sure if it was just gonna kind of retest and then come back down. So I was kind of on the fence, and I decided here that pretty much like this is an amazing trade. Like you might as well secure some profits. This was pretty much, I don't know, this trade was maybe for like 3-4 minutes, and I already made 50% of my bankroll on the first trade of this challenge. So pretty much in this situation, I don't want to get too greedy. I kind of want to secure profits, and I'm very happy with this trade. So what I actually ended up doing is, as you can see, you'll see shortly that I decided to close the position. Let's just see what I do exactly. But yeah, what I'm thinking is it's just gonna retrace down, and I'm gonna close profits. Right here it says I made 260, but as you can see, I got 248. And actually what ended up happening is it kept going. I sold way too early this Pepe. I love Pepe, man. I love trading this coin, high volatility, so be sure to be careful when you're trading this. But I missed out on so much profits. Like, look at this ride up like crazy. Essentially, if I held to the top just over there, that's $250 profit I took would have been, I would say, over $1,000 profit. So yeah, unfortunate that I didn't hold on, but I'm still very happy with how this trade played out. This is the first trade of the $500 to $10,000 trading series. So if you want to see part 2 or my next trade, I'm going to be completely transparent with my wins or losses. Be sure to drop a like. Let's aim for 10 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.